Hello guys and welcome to another video. I have not made a video in a while. So I'll probably make a series of a Ratchet Clank Rift apart since this game is pretty good fun to play. Yeah, I beat this game already. Yeah. Now I think of making a video off of it.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
The last time we left off is where Dr. Nefarious took the Dimensionator, and now we're in basically a different dimension.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Basically, yes. Gotcha.
Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
I know I have to go over there, but I want to check something out real quick. Oh, I know what that. I know where we have to do that, but I don't want to spoil it. That's
Wait a second.
You forgot your order. Come right in.
all. Finally, her voice is normal.
Zircon will sell you weapons, but you've gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage.
Clank!
Oh, get Clank! What you doing?
I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Welcome to Miss Zircon.
Oh, side quests and regular quests. I want to get a weapon real quick if I have enough for it.
You want to bring a party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is
Give me that!
for you.
Oh, okay. I can't get it yet. Okay.
You will make a lot of holes with those, hun.
That sounds like a club, all right.
Excuse me real quick. Oh. What?
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Oh, they tripping.
Hi.
Look at that.
Are you the Phantom?
I have whatever you want.
What?
Is there a Phantom
Look
around
at that.
here?
The magnet. That does not make sense. Yep. Yeah, like, I'm not supposed to say that or trigger. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that on the channel. Oh! I forgot where I had to go. Right here, like that.
I do not get it. How can 8 feet dropping be good? Is that not a computational error?
Forgot where he is. I'm gonna be spending a whole entire time in here. Just looking at
Whoa! Look at all that buzz! You guys!
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too! Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you.
No names. You've got to be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Bro's just spawned. He don't know what's happening. Get out of my way. Did you just smack me? Nah, too bad. I am armed. Too bad. Do with it. Oh.
Cannot be here while still breathing.
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. William, please! Stop running! Is this some kind of test?
I'll tell you.
Isn't it? Hey, wait! Hey, wait! There he is!
How many times are you gonna say, "Hey, wait"?
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Shoot it!
I will make the Emperor proud today.
No, you failed them.
The bigger your case will be.
Huh? Wait, what do you say? Bigger what? I'm gonna need you to replay that, okay?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. Come on. The wall's not gonna bite. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Stay close.
Where did he go? No, I'm just kidding.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop.
Can you fight?
How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Hang on.
We are so lucky to have such a clever and malevolent creature.
It's not clever. He's stupid. Sorry to tell you that, but he's stupid. Man. 15 hours. 15 hours and. Oh, nah. Get out of that line. Get out of that line. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, okay? 15 hours in line? Did he just say that? I thought he said 15 hours in line.
Halt, little agitator.
Alright, guys, I'll help you. Nah, I don't know. Oh, why? Oh. I didn't even see that.
Come on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Nah, I'm gonna get Mr. Fun Guy.
You are getting it.
Yes, sir.
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape.
Yeah, can I get Mr. Fun Guy now? I'm gonna need that. I actually need that.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And me, Zircon, was never here.
Why she wanna hide her identity? I never knew why. She gonna get arrested if she keep on selling weapons like that?
After all, impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give the city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Honestly, this is nice music, but I don't want to mess it up, but I have to if I want to get through. This is honestly nice, relaxing music. And also, I can't get enough. Hi. Oh, hi.
This is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance shows collective citizens tired of your electronic dictatorship.
I honestly don't even know why I did that anymore.
Prepare to be one.
Stupid. Mr. Fun Guy, I'm gonna let you go. Go do this. Ugh. Yeah, no, duh! I mean, what do you think this was? A shotgun? Oh, you. Sorry, YouTube, if I, said some stuff that was not right to say. Like, weapons or something like that. Yeah, please don't take that, please. Yes, sir. Pathetic. Listen, real children to fuck me. Because they're literally pathetic. Like those one that was just like floating, like this one right here. They're pathetic. They're really just pathetic. All of them are pathetic.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
That was actually easier. That was actually easier than I thought.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go?
After this, I wanna know something.
Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get into the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Don't worry, he didn't die. You can.
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Nothing. You didn't hear anything.
That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, oh, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Dang, why I didn't do a flip in the end? That's what I wanted to do.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
I will have to do it later. This is one of the dudes I hate the most.
Where did you even come from?
Rocket barrage commencing. Enjoy.
No, I don't really like it. I'm sorry, but I don't really like it. So I don't think I'm gonna enjoy it.
The Emperor will.
The Emperor what? Wait, what do you say about the Emperor?
What the yikes?
Oh, we're on Sargasso.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now,
Wait, no, this is not Sargasso. What is wrong with me? Sargasso is a different planet. It's something different. Well, I want to see if I'm okay. Good. Sargasso is a different planet. This is a different planet. I forgot what it's called.
you were lucky this time.
I was lucky that. Huh? How was I lucky? No, it's not. I don't think dying is for my own good. I don't think so.
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Yeah, and that's what I'm trying to do with you, okay? I hope you know that. Bleed! Bleed!
Give up while you're still
Bleed! Yes! Get that! Get that! I know this man is not dancing in the battle right now.
Had about enough of you.
Yes, sir!
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Hold on. Before we do that. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Alright, so we're in the computer right now. We have to kill viruses, okay? What do you mean? I thought you signed up for this.
Infection is starting to clear.
I'm just kidding.
I guess I can try to take out the rest now. Some rumors are coming in that hard. Oh, no. I gotta delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
You're not gonna be outnumbered. I actually thought I could shoot. I actually thought I could shoot it from there.
They're tough. Maybe my foot's and I did it. Oh man, I really wow. Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
What was that thing that just got thrown?
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Weapons, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance.
I thought you said you were forget
covering
about
the
it.
entire city. If only the blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Hi. I just said, shut up, okay? Why does this remind me of When Clink's story?
I'm coming, Clank.
And you just have to get off the plane.
No.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead?
That's their actual password? Oh, dang. showed you the whole time. Wow, I did not want to see that.
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Hey, look! Wait! Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Not paying attention.
Where are you taking me?
Nowhere
I
else, Rivet.
was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Oh! Oh. Yeah, he's old age. For sure, for sure.
Great! There's a seeker bead right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. There's a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear.
Hold on. I hope you guys like this video. I'll probably make another.
I'm sorry, you're fine. You're fine. I'm sorry. Keep going. I'm sorry.
What just happened? I hope you guys like this video. See you guys later in the next video. Yeah.